Hi, welcome to EffiBiz Software. Do you face problems to keep an accurate records and all the details of your business? If so, EffiBiz Software is the solution for you. Let me show you problems business owners like you are facing, and how EffiBiz Software can solve them. Come and let's go. Here is another business owner like you. He struggles to keep an accurate record of his store and his sales, but he can't. Even becomes more confused when his products finish without him knowing. With EffiBiz Software, you can keep an accurate record of all your products, how many products you have sold, and how many products you have left. You will also get a notification when you get low in your stocks. EffiBiz Software takes all the stress and hassles of bookkeeping and accounting off your shoulders. Get a details report of your sales with just one click. Say goodbye to the stress of bookkeeping and manual records. So go ahead and download the app from the Google Play Store right now to get started.